How to personalize settings in LinkedIn. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you personalize settings in LinkedIn. To personalize a LinkedIn settings, you need to follow these steps. So here, you want to first of all open a LinkedIn app. Then you have to click on the Me section, that means at the top left corner of your screen. And when you go to this Me section, what here you actually need to do is scroll down and click on Settings. When you go to the settings section, there you could see account preferences, right? You could go and click on the account preferences section. Over here, you could actually make changes with your personal information or the profile information. That is, you could also customize the settings for that too. And as per the display, you could either go with a light theme or a dark mode, that too. And you could also customize your general preferences, that means language, content language, sound effect, all that. And if you scroll down a bit, you could also find other options. And moving on, you could also go to the you could go to this visibility section as well. And here as well, you could go ahead and manage or personalize settings accordingly on your LinkedIn account. So this is how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.